Penelope the penguin who hated the cold once upon an iceberg in the chilly land of Snowflake Bay. There lived a penguin named Penelope who had a tiny, tropical dream. She absolutely hated the cold. While her penguin pals slid on the ice and played snowball fights, Penelope sat under a beach umbrella, wearing pineapple sunglasses and sipping lukewarm fish tea. "Why do we live in a giant freezer?" she grumbled. Penelope had a plan. She collected bits of seaweed, fish scales, and clam shells to build flipper slippers, cozy, stylish penguin shoes that would keep her feet toasty. She showed them to the penguin crowd. Everyone stared. Then they burst out laughing. "You're a penguin," said Pablo. "You're supposed to like the cold." Penelope frowned. "Well, I don't. I like coconuts, hammocks, and sand between my toes." "But you don't have toes," whispered a puffin. That night, Penelope waddled away with her backpack, 2 sardine sandwiches, and her inflatable flamingo floaty. "I'm heading for the tropics," she declared to a confused walrus. She hopped on an iceberg, stuck up a little palm tree flag, and floated off into the unknown. After 3 days of drifting, eating fish crackers, and talking to her flamingo floaty, Penelope arrived on a magical place, Coconut Island, where parrots sang, monkeys swung, and sand was everywhere. She made friends with a dancing crab, taught flamingos how to belly slide, and built a snowman out of sand. She was finally warm and happy. One day, while building a castle out of coconuts, she saw something wobbling toward her. It was Pablo the penguin, followed by Beaky, Niblet, and even grumpy old Glider. "We missed you," said Pablo, "and we brought fish popsicles." Penelope hugged them. "Welcome to Coconut Island. There's just one rule: no snow allowed." They all cheered and slid into the ocean for the warmest splash party in penguin history. Moral of the story: it's okay to be different. Whether you love the snow or the sun, your true friends will waddle with you anywhere.